Welcome to Parisian Rugs and Rug Spa in Spokane, Washington. Today we're going to be showing you how to properly roll your rug to prevent any damage and to get a much tighter roll. Now when you brush your hand along the length of the rug, one side is going to be much smoother than the other. You're going to want to flip the rug so that as you drag your hand, you have the smooth side going towards you. That'll help keep your roll extra tight. And now you can begin folding the fringe over and then rolling the rug all the way along the length. When you roll from this end, the cylinder becomes much tighter because the wool fibers are interlocking with the back of the rug, making it much easier to move from room to room, and an additional benefit, it becomes much easier to unroll in one go. Now you can do this with any rug of any size, but for oversized rugs, it can be a little bit easier to bail the rug. Bailing a rug consists of folding it into a half or into thirds along the length, grabbing one end and dragging it to about the 1/3 mark of the rug, dropping, going to the other side, and starting your roll. Using these techniques will make transporting your rug easier and avoid any long-term damage that can occur when you fold a rug. Subscribe to see more rug content and visit our virtual rug gallery through the link in bio.